Hello friends, today we will talk about Portronics Aero wireless mouse. This mouse need not any wire to connect to your laptop. This mouse you can connect with the help of Bluetooth only. They are having one from the back side. You can see you are having this part, this USB part, which you can take it out from here like this. This is that part. This USB part you have to insert in your laptop in USB. When you enter this in your laptop in USB, the light of this mouse, this light will get open, uh, which indicates that your mouse has been connected to your laptop or any other system in which you have inserted this device. After using, you can keep it back in the on the back side. You can insert it and it will be there. It will be there like this. You can see I have just inserted it over here, and you can keep it anywhere in your bag, and you can take it to the office or anywhere else in traveling. It's portable, so it's easy to take it and travel. Here you are having one ball through which you can scroll down and up, one DPI ball, and this is your light which will start, and this is the part where you have to insert the battery. These two pencil cells of medium size you have to insert to it. Generally battery life goes from 1 month to 1.5 months if you are using it continuously. uh, you can close it from here. It generally costs you around 400 to 500, depends upon the discount available. Other than that, it is available on the online website, e-commerce website, that you can use to purchase it. You can order it online. Usage is good only. We didn't find any issue of it. Other than battery is it consume a little good amount of cells. The battery I have shown you, and you should have battery in this to it to be work. And one advice from our side: if you are not using this mouse and you are just keeping this mouse over there, keeping very you are not using it, you're just keeping it for a long time, it's not in use, then please remove this battery from it, from here. Otherwise it will start leaking out the battery and it can damage your mouse. Some ball liquid will start coming, so just take it out the battery from here like this. And uh, the both battery you can remove it, and you can keep it by closing of this, and it will last longer, the life will be great so of this mouse. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.